Hi everybody, Ozzy is here from Phoenix English. This is our first video about collocations. If you don't know the meaning of collocation, please stay tuned. Collocation means a natural combination of words. It refers to the way English words are closely associated to each other. For example, do and business go together and we say do business, not make business. Like, we are doing a lot of business in Asia these days. Or we never say a high person, we say a tall person. But when it comes to mountains, we say high mountains. Well, is it necessary to learn collocations? Absolutely, because collocations help us to speak and write English in a more natural and accurate way. So, today we will be talking about some useful collocations about business. Do not forget to take notes while watching this video. Let's start. The first one is to go into business. Go into business. It means to begin to work in a certain field of activity. For example, she's decided to go into business as a freelance computer programmer. I seized the chance that offered and went into business. He abandoned politics and went into business. The next one is to go into partnership. Go into partnership. It means to set up a business or to go into business with somebody. To work with other people as partners. For example, Omid and I have recently decided to go into partnership making YouTube English lessons under the name of our brand, Phoenix English. Number 3, to make a loss and make a profit. If a company makes a loss, it earns less than it spends. For example, the report reveals that the company made a loss of $10 million last year. Or, we made a loss in the first 2 years, but then things got better and we made a profit for most years ever since. As you can guess, profit is the opposite of loss, and make a profit means to make money from investments or business. For example, the company has made enormous profits in recent years. Now let's take a look at some collocations with profit. A big or huge profit. A quick profit. A good profit. A substantial profit. Instead of big, we can also say a healthy or handsome or tidy profit. It's lovely, isn't it? And the last one on my list, a small or modest profit. The next collocation is to go under. To go under. If a business goes under, it has to stop operating because of financial problems. To fail financially. For example, more than 7,000 businesses have gone under in the last 3 months. During the economic recession, many small businesses were going under, and I thought our business would fold. If a business folds, it will permanently close down. It's an informal phrase meaning to close because of failure. For example, many small businesses fold within the first year. To go bankrupt. It's another way to show failure in business. When you are unable to pay debts, so the company's property is sold by the order of a court of law. For example, the firm went bankrupt before the building work was completed. The next one is stiff competition. Competition is a situation in which two or more people or groups are trying to get something which not everybody can have. Stiff competition means tough competition, when opponents are talented and strong. For example, I don't know if I can get the job. There is pretty stiff competition. Or we won the contract despite the stiff competition. Cut-through competition is another one that can be used here, meaning very severe competition. Like, there is cut-through competition in music industry these years. Well, what we can say instead of employ someone, take on a staff is the collocation that can be used here. For example, we are taking on 50 new staff this year. Or, we've taken on extra staff just because of the increased overload. When it comes to business, one of the key parts of developing your business is to know the market you are doing business in. I mean, we should carry out market research, right? Market research is a business activity which involves collecting information about the goods and the products people buy and why they buy them. Two good collocations here are carry out market research and conduct market research. For example, they had to conduct market research, then advertise the product. Or it requires a huge amount of work to carry out accurate market research. Our next collocation is launch a product. Launch a product. It means to make a new product available for sale for the first time. For example, I think the best time to launch our product is May. Or, before launching a new product, we need to carry out market research. And the last collocation is business is booming. Business is booming. It is used when the business is doing extremely well. Like, the e-card business is booming. Or, a variety of businesses are booming these days, especially those in beauty industry. All right, everybody. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. As always, your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. See you.